Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to backup data on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. In the latest Android 16 version, you can see the two different ways to backup your data using the Google account or synchronize your Google data. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down until the backup or copy data. This is option is only available in the latest Android 16 version. So backup data, bring data from another device. So tap on it. Now here you can see the two options, backup data and copy data using the Android switch option. So first tap on the backup data option. Here you can see that your data is automatically backup to your Google account when the device is ideal condition. So here you can see the backup details, photos and videos. Make sure to go on this option on your device to automatically backup all your photos and videos in your camera folder. Here you can see the option. So make sure to go on this option on your device. Now go back, tap on the other device data. In other device data, you can see the backup contact, call history, device setting, application and app data, SMS and MMS messages and SIMs to your Google account. So it will backup all your important data on your Google account. Here you select your Google account. Also you can enable this option, use mobile or Meta Wi-Fi data. It will depend on your carrier or network. So very helpful. Make sure to go on this option to automatically backup the data on your Google Pixel 10 series. Also you can use the Google's copy data using the Android switch option. So tap on it. This will helpful to transfer data from old Pixel device to new Pixel device or any other Android device to Pixel device or Pixel device to any other device like Android Pixel to Samsung, Samsung to Pixel, Pixel to OnePlus, any other device. So here you can select, choose what to copy, copy photo, contact message. Make sure that your device is charged. If you don't have your other device, you can't try restoring from a cloud backup. So tap on the start button on your device. Now here you need to choose your other device. You want to transfer data from Google Pixel to any other Android or Google Pixel device to iPhone or iPod. Also you can restore from the backup option available on your device. So this is the all important settings you need to enable on your device to copy data or backup the data on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and for Excel, any other latest picture devices. That's it. Please like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.